He also, lastly, I would say, is very transparent and authentic in his communications. He's honest about the challenges and the risks, and he's also been honest about failures of things that didn't test out well and that wouldn't be beneficial. And by doing that, he creates confidence. I mean, even by describing his failures, people are confident that he's also transparent in the things that he does accomplish. And his determination to overcome obstacles is undeniable, and determination to achieve success authentically resonates with his audiences and helps build that trust and credibility of his brand just because of him being more authentic himself.